Hello everyone, my name is Ernie. Today I'm gonna show you how to monitoring urban growth using NDBI indices. In my YouTube video previously, you can find how to mapping urban area using these indices. So first, what is NDBI? NDBI or normalized differentiates buildup index is a parameter used to detect buildup and differentiate them from water and vegetations. NDBI calculated using reflectance value of NIR and SWIR bands from the satellite data. So the formula of these indices is SWIR bands minus NIR bands divided with SWIR band plus NIR. And the range of value of NDBI is from -1 until 1. Less than 0 is indicating the non-build-up area like vegetation or water, and greater than 0 is build-up area or bare land. And this indices is used in various applications like to monitoring urban growth, as well as change, even identifying area with high build-up density, or to analyzing the relationship between build-up area and other environmental factors like LST or vegetation. Okay, let's start. First, should have or you should log in this platform. Go to code editor. In code editor, you can write your editor. You can write your code here. And today I will use ROI from my friends Jade in Vientiane province, Republic of Lampwidia, and I will add to the layer and make it as a center object. For example, run. So this is the ROI. To do the monitoring, I will use three times data: 1992, 2000, 1993, 2003, and 2023. So for this data, I will use two type of data set from Landsat. Why I use Landsat? Because Landsat provide data from 1972 until now. So it's if you want to do the monitoring in long periods, you can use Landsat. I recommend it. You can use this data sets. Go to Landsat. Okay, need time. Okay, here you can see that the data is provided from 1972 until now. So for 2023, I will use these data sets. And for 1993 and 2023, I will use these data sets. Go to script, make a variable, for example, data set here, and clip the snippet of this data. So we will use the surface reflectance type. Okay, this is the snippet. If you want to know about the detail of this data collection, you can read this description, but detail, there is so many information here. And here you can see that the spatial resolution is 30 meters. This one is reflectance bands, and this one is optical bands. Okay, for a radiometric correction, I will apply this scale, multiply with this value, and add with this value. and then go to script again and copy the snippet here and filter, uh, do the filter date and filter bounds with our ROI. Okay, here I will use image with cloud cover less than 1%. If you want to know how many data sets that you have, you can print it and run it. In the console menu, you will find how many data set you have. So here I have 20 data sets. If you want to know about your image, just click here and click this 20 image. So I have 19 bands here and the properties here. That's about the image. And then I will apply the median value for these indices. So just for median value, I will just write the code dot medians. So from 20 data set, I will get the median value. And this one is the formula for NDBI. Sorry, this one is for the radiometric correction that I have already mentioned before. Multiply with this value and add with this value and clip with my ROI. This is for the formula for NDBI. So SWIR minus NIR. If you want to know which band number for SWIR or NIR band, you can see here in the descriptions menu, you will find which one is SWIR bands and which one is NIR bands, because it will be different in if you want to apply uh, for Landsat 5 dataset. For Landsat 8, SWIR band is band number 6 and NIR is band number 5. Okay, make uh, the NDBI here and run it. Okay, need time. Okay, after run it, you will find this map. So you can click, for example, in this area. So you will find the NDBI value is a negative 0.1, but in the bright image, you will find the value is greater than 0. So I have already divided, so to make this map clear, so divide it into two class 1 and class 2. For class 1 is less than 0, that indicating the non-built up area, and class number 2 is built up area. So run it. Okay, you will see like something like this. So for non-build up is green color, and for build up is red color. Okay, if you want to compare with the satellite view, just click satellite view here. So here you can compare it with the satellite value. So here you can see this area is red area is for the build up area or bare land, something like that. You can see here. But the green value here is for the vegetations or for the water body. Okay, the next step is for data in 2003 and 1993. For this data, I will use Landsat 5 datasets. Okay, just click here and surface reflectance time, and you can read the descriptions. So this one for Landsat 5, different with the Landsat 8, swear band is in the band number 5, and another band is band number 4. Okay, just apply it. So here I have already made it, the code. Landsat 5, filter that with my date is 2003 and until 2004 January 1st, and filter bounds with my ROI with cloud cover is less than 1%, and get the median value. That's for dataset number 2. And similar with the Landsat age, I will apply the radiometric correction with multiply with this value and add with this value. So this is the NDBI formula for Landsat 5. Band number 5 minus band number 4 divided band number 5 plus band number 4. Rename with NDBI. And I have already divided in two class and make to the layers with green color is for non-build up area and red color is for build up area, and just run it for 2003 uh, and same for 2000 sorry 1993. Just change this date with 1993 January until 1994 January 1st. Run it. So in the console, you will find for 2023 we have 20 data, but for 2003 only one data, and 1993 is four data. So after all, you will get the NDBI maps in 1992, 2003, and 2023. Okay, if you want to know how the urban growth, this one is for 1992, and this one is for 2003, and this one is 2023. So you can see that there is difference or there is urban growth in this area. So I hope you can learn something from this tutorial, and you can I hope it will be help you to apply in your area. If you want to know about the code, you can find in my descriptions of YouTube uh, in this video, and don't forget to comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you